In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Xero Verify for two-factor authentication. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install the Xero Verify app on your mobile device. Open the App Store on your phone or tablet, search for Xero Verify and download it. Make sure you're installing the official app so that the setup works properly and your account stays secure. Once the app has finished installing, open it so it's ready for the next part of the process. After that, go to Xero on your computer using a web browser and sign into your account as you normally would. During the sign-in process, you'll be prompted to set up two-factor authentication. When that option appears, choose Xero Verify as your verification method. This is the option that connects your Xero account to the app you just installed on your phone. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring approval from your mobile device, not just your password, which helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've selected Xero Verify, Xero will display a QR code on your screen. Now return to the Xero Verify app on your phone and use it to scan that QR code. When scanning, hold your phone steady and make sure the full code is visible within the camera frame. This step securely links the app to your Xero account. If the scan doesn't work right away, check that your screen brightness is high enough and that your phone camera is in focus, then try again. After the QR code has been scanned successfully, the setup is nearly complete. From this point on, when you log into Xero in the future, you'll receive a push notification on your phone through the Xero Verify app. To finish the process, simply approve those notifications on your device. This means that each time you sign in, you can confirm that it's really you trying to access the account. That's it. By installing the app, selecting Xero Verify during sign-in, scanning the QR code, and approving future login requests, you've successfully set up a more secure way to access Xero. Keep your phone nearby when signing in, and make sure notifications are enabled for the app so approvals come through smoothly.